Welcome back. Hope you're having a good Friday morning. To help us out with some of the stock analysis, Deven Choksey, the Managing Director at DRChoksey Finserv, joins us on the show. Hi, Deven. Good morning. Good to see you in as always. Well, let's start off with a few stocks. We just spoke to the management of Dr. Reddy's. Numbers looked a little bit subdued. What are you making of the stock?
Good morning, Ryan. Well, I think on one side, the numbers and the margins particularly, I think will look a little subdued, given the intensity of competition in some of the generics. But what is the important key takeaway from the management commentary? The regular launch of new products and at the same time spending money on biosimilars and complex generics. I think that's what the future roadmap that the company has laid down. Given the size of R&D spending and given the new launches that they have, probably I would like to think that the business in absolute terms, I think may not be remain same, I think on a quarter-to-quarter basis. But over a longer period of time, I think you would distinctly see the larger pipeline of products, which could possibly give the better visibility going forward. Maybe currently everything is in price, so there is nothing left as far as the upside is concerned. But I think as far as the growth prospects are concerned, I think the roadmap is relatively more clearer than before.
Okay, that's Dr. Reddy's. Deven, hi. Good morning. Good to have you on the show. Mid-cap IT. And I think the market's been realizing this over not just this quarter, but the last many quarters, that if you want to back growth, then, there are other stocks well beyond your usual TCS, Infosys and Wipro. Now, what do you think? Coforge has been going very strong. The stocks also rallied, but the management commentary is also very good. There's also Persistent. Cyient is not that great this morning. They seem to have a couple of issues, including management change. What do you like in mid-cap IT?
Yes, Sudhi, good morning. Well, I believe that I think some of the mid-cap IT companies which are having a larger amount of thrust towards the engineering space, particularly, I think they would relatively be better off in coming period. Because each of the verticals, be it healthcare, be it automobile, be it aviation, and to name few, I think these are the verticals in which I think some of the companies, like I think Tata Technology or for that matter Tata Elxsi, they are focusing. Of course, on a quarter-to-quarter basis, I think the results are not showing up on every aspect. But at least they have been winning larger amount of orders. The size of the order win that they are having compared to the previous quarter has been on a higher side. And that gives the promise that the delivery will be much better going forward in coming quarters. So we like, I think, some of the niche plays, and I think they are going to produce comparatively better performance to their peers in the large cap. So I think selective companies from investment perspective, good time because the market has corrected on the price side.
Deven, 30 seconds. I just wanted to slip in Indus Tower to you. Do you think it'll see some recovery here? Has been beaten down quickly?
Yes, Prashant, absolutely. I think collection from Vodafone about 300 crores. And also expanding the towers, I think also Vodafone is buying further amount of capacity. All in all put together, I think the operation numbers are likely to remain better going forward.
All right, 366, and we'll get the indicative pre-open rates in a bit from now. Deven, thank you very much. Appreciate you staying on and sort of running us through those individual names and, of course, your overall thoughts as well. We'll take